Well, we at ET Now spoke with Varun, Daga and Charandeep Singh of Girik Capital in order to understand their outlook on the markets, where they're seeing select areas for opportunity and what the criteria is to bet on companies. Just to put into perspective, Girik Capital's top 10 sector allocation includes the maximum in IT and software, which is about 14.45. There's also pharma, about 10.9%, as well as banks, investment and insurance, NBFCs, steel about 5%, refineries, cables, as well as household and personal products, and the courier sector. In fact, some of their top holdings include Angel Broking, Infosys, Bajaj Finance, Tata Steel, Polycab, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, Tata Elxsi, as well as Imami and Blue Dart Express. They believe that, one can look to assess the industry with the leading stocks and price performers. They have a macro mantra where winners show price strength in a bull cycle and believe that sustainable historical earnings can help analyze the future potential for companies. Market size, return ratio, net debt, governance, these are some of the criteria that they watch out for before investing in companies. Now, what was their outlook by and large on the markets? They said that the focus on macro reliance as well as interest rates and the taper tantrum will be crucial. And as of now, one cannot deny that the leader of the bull market has been within the IT space. They believe that strong Q1 numbers reflect strength in the IT basket as a whole, and that the digital segment of the IT services sector is growing at a very fast clip. They also believe that this entire movement that we've seen in these brokerage stocks that have been doing very well of late is the digital segment of a cluster of brokerage firms rather moving to the digital space. They're of the view that digitization, data accessibility, that enables brokerages to operate far more easily, and that it's helping a lot of these companies to become more cost effective. Going forward, agrochemicals and metals as well, they believe, are going to lead the markets going forward. They expect that companies will benefit from the PLI boost as well, and they would like to play the electronics as well as chemicals theme. The QSR space is moving rather quickly, and they believe that Jubilant Foodworks within this space looks rather attractive. And Ajanta Pharma as well, within the pharma space, they believe can show superior earnings growth compared to its peers. They will be focusing on buying companies which have quality management as well as governance, and believe that a secular steel demand is likely to consolidate the entire sector. They're of the view that the sector undergoes a cycle for about 5 to 10 years within the steel space. The current cyclical companies, they believe, can become sectoral leaders and secular leaders going forward, and they believe that sticking to sectoral leaders is the way to go.